How to create subscripts and superscripts on Canva. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create subscripts and superscripts on Canva. So let's get right into the video. First thing first, open up your web browser and then here search for canva.com. Or if you already have the application, you can directly open up your application. Now, once that is done, choose the type of document you want to create. So let's see if I want to create a new document, Word document. I'm just going to click on here and it will give me the Word document right here. So after you have done that, you're going to have to insert a text box here, or you could directly start typing. But what I suggest you do is create a PowerPoint presentation file. So go ahead and go back to your home settings and then create another file. So once you've created a presentation file, you're going to click on this text option right here and insert your text. So go ahead and click on any of the text. So let's say if I want to add a subheading, I'm going to click right here and type in like this. If you want to adjust its size, you could do that as well. So you can increase its size like so. And after you've done that, you are again going to have to create another text. So let's say if I want to create a superscript, I'm just going to write something like A2 and adjust its size. Now what you can do is just move it right here on top so that it sits as a superscript. And you can do the same thing for creating subscript as well. So you can copy this and then paste it again right here. But what you're going to do this time is just move it around like this. And here, instead of the 2 up above, you're going to move it down below like so. And now you have successfully created a subscript and superscript. But there is one more problem we need to fix. So if I try to move this, only the X moves and not the 2. So what you're going to have to do now is group these two. So select these two boxes, drag like this, and select them. And once you've selected these boxes, click on this group option. So now wherever I move this, the 2 also moves along with the text. So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm just going to select all of this and then group it. And once that is done, I can move it around anywhere I want. And that's how you create a subscript and superscript on Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you next time.